Oh yeah, we're talking about a monster off-road vehicle here. The new 2024 Ford Bronco Raptor. Oh yeah, that big grille, the three lights. Oh yeah, three-eyed monster right there. 3-liter twin turbo underneath the hood. We have the matching painted fender wells. Yes, we do. They're big. Why? Because we got 17-inch wheels with those big, huge BF Goodrich all-terrain tires. We have a factory-tuned off-road suspension, Raptor side steps. We have our Onyx black leather and suede interior that's heated. We have our go over any terrain mode, center console shift, wireless charging, connectivity, all of our climate controls here and radio controls. And guess what? We have nav and 360-degree cameras, locking differentials, 6 auxiliary switches. Oh yeah, full digital cockpit, paddle steering, leather wrapped steering wheel. Yes, 10-speaker audio system, more of that Onyx black leather and suede in the back. We have our Windows controls, USB charging hub, and power inverter, and plenty of webbing for all of our added extras. In the back, we got the lift glass up, swing gate out, matching tire on the back, roadside assistance kit, the big Bronco mats to keep the inside cool. We have our sub here for that premium speaker system, also 12 volts of power, lights, camera, action, and we're ready for off-road with a trailer hitch with a new 2024 Ford Bronco Raptor from Payne Weslaco Ford. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have that off-road beast that you want. Lo que tu quieres, regardless.